Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to install Gemini AI in mobile. So if you're using your iPhone or also if you're using your Android, it's the same thing. Just go to any web browser and then search for Gemini here. Now click the very first link that you can see and it will take you directly to Gemini website or homepage. And if you are logged in already to your Google account, then you have the access already and you can ask Gemini anything here. Now, in order for you to install this, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see this share icon. If you're using iPhone, you have to click this share icon right here and then scroll down again till you see this add to home screen. Click this add to home screen and then here you will see that you can now add Gemini. You can change the name, but of course you won't do that. Just click this add button right here, and then if you go back to your home page, you will see Gemini, and all you have to do is to click this one and you can now start asking Gemini anything or generate any pictures, images, or questions. So basically, that's how easy it is to install Gemini AI in mobile. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.